That's fact. Guru can accept reactions, and he does accept all reactions, whether he suffers or not. Let's put it this way: does the Guru accept the karma of the disciple at the time of initiation? Yes. The Shastras say the Guru accepts the prarabdha karma, because that's what's fructifying in this life. Prarabdha may fructify next life, and bija makutam in future lives. Guru accepts the prarabdha karma, which means the mental and all the kleshas, adhyatmika klesha, adhibodhika klesha, adhidhavika klesha. So many of those things become adjusted and purified and elevated and improved by taking diksha. Your physical self, your emotional self, your mental self all becomes balanced and becomes more healthy. So, because klesha means adhibodhika suffering caused by my papa karma, adhidhavika suffering caused by just being in this world. Everyone has the same karma. We're in this world, too hot, too cold, and this and that. Adhidhavik. And adhyatmika, my own body, my own suffering. So when one takes diksha, that prarabdha, that klesha, it's kleshagni. Because Guru, surrendering to Guru and taking diksha mantras and serving Guru, this is part of bhakti. Right? Guru Padashraya. The first three limbs are all about Guru Shishya. Bhakti means the practice of devotion under the guidance of Guru to attain Bhagavan, Krishna. So the first one is Ado Guru Padashraya. Diksha Adi Shikshanam. Take Diksha from Guru, then receive Shiksha. Then third, Vishrambena Gurur Seva. Then fourth, Sadhu Vartana Vartade. So in this way, because the first three limbs of Bhakti Bhajan are all about the disciples surrendering to the Diksha Guru and serving and cementing a personal relationship with the Guru. Then the fourth limb of Bhakti, number 4 out of the 64, is Sadhu Vartmana Vartante. So now that this means that to continue on the Bhakti Marg, which Gurudev has put you on, you have to associate with sadhus. So Sadhu Vartmana Vartate means you take shelter and you take shiksha from shiksha gurus, and you serve them as you serve and hear from your guru. You serve and hear from proper sajatiya ashasnigdha sadhus. That's called Sadhu Vartmana Vartate. So this is bhakti. So taking diksha is part of bhakti. So the characteristics of bhakti are kleshagni. So when you take diksha, because of bhakti, the power of bhakti, which is ladani and samvit, which that bhakti gyan you receive from Guru, and that which is the samvit aspect of bhakti, and that bhakti bhav, that bhakti, that feeling, that sentiment, that love, that's in the heart of the Guru, that comes inside. So that's bhakti. So bhakti is destroying the sins, which means Krishna, because these are his energies, ladani shakti and samvit shakti.